Yeah, some baked chicken, some mac and cheese, potato salad, cornbread, some apple juice. You know how we do. My first mukbang this. Yeah. So you're back again with Gangster Ras. Farin P. You know it's Valentine's Day. Happy Valentine's Day to everybody. First mukbang this. Yeah. Eating alone. You know them vibes. Amen. So I go on now fans. People out there is. Yes, brother. Eat ready. Me keep on try the cornbread thing. Now I just work out in my favor, you know? I wanna can eat you. Cook up a storm. Me watch up and die. Can't do the dainty thing. Bro, you can get one of them and still the black still, you know? Like this can yam. Like you realize, no rice, you're tired of rice. Well, everybody else I love up them lady and I love up them man. Nyam, nyam, nyam. Sorry I couldn't carry on through the whole baking process and the whole rare process, but you know. Can't work, man. No claim to claim no burger right here. Shante, if you were here, you know see all the cornbread vibes or type bun. But better than the other ones that we made. Woo! Refreshing. Me can't eat no more. Go cover up this. So keep on liking, subscribing, sharing, commenting. You know for my video then. You know man kinda give the thing a break, but don't hold that against me. Not last favor. Yeah? Ongo salvation, it has to be the good one too. I wanna rough. I miss you, never see me eat. Girl, you better can cook. Sorry for you. My belly full and I can't tap me. Food good. Need to have one local restaurant or something. Talk to somebody else taste bud. Nah, eat no more still. Better right me now. Big up on yourself while I'm not. Bless up on yourself on the day you done. We out.